What's up, guys? This is a brand new video I've made for my channel, and I haven't been doing it a lot lately because I've been preparing. If you've seen my last videos, they're not really like deluxe, like fantastic. And I've been painting a lot, Air with the Flash, you name it, and I think they're pretty good. And so I want to show you how to make them and stuff. Okay, but yeah, maybe by now I should just go into the video. This is Diggle from Arrow. I know it looks really like classy and stuff, but this is from season 5 of Arrow, the season 5 version of Diggle from Arrow, and so yeah. Show you how to make him. He's actually not that hard. Doesn't have much detail. And so I'll go on to what I really used for this project. Not the pieces, like all the tools. Okay, for this minifigure I used black paint, a paintbrush. I got it. Oh yeah, silver paint. I used plastic. And I used a permanent marker, Sharpie. Okay, now that's really what I use for it, that's really what I use for it, and so I'll get on to what the pieces I used. I used for this minifigure, come on, camera, come on. Okay, a Nexonite Clay's helmet, and I painted part of it silver and put the details on it with the permanent marker. See that? See that? Actually, I forgot to mention I used some leather. Come on, focus. Took a piece of leather. No, sorry, Okay. I used a Nexonite helmet. Wait, what was this head from? I actually forget. Just use a random black guy's head. I used some. Okay. I used some. What's it again? Cardboard. No, wait. Paper? I think like flimsy cardboard for the jacket. I used for that a regular black or purple torso, regular black arms, gray hands, as you can see, and blue pants. Now, okay, those were most of the stuff I used to make this minifigure from Eric, because I'm making whole season 5 thing. And yeah, building. How I built this helmet was I painted the top silver, right? I put the details on with permanent marker. And I took the plastic I did and glued it to there, so it looks like the visor. And I took the leather and put a thin strip and glued it to the bottom, so if it goes in, it can actually show its mouth. And so I painted that side. How it has that little, thing sticking out of there. And I did the details, yeah. And that's how I really made a helmet. Okay. Take the gun away. This is a regular army gun I use for him. And yeah, wait, this is a regular army gun that I use for him. This is Diggle. Yeah. And then so I painted the back of the head. I permanent markered the back of the head black. It actually looked like it. And I'm sorry for the beard. It was already permanent markered on and I couldn't really like take it off. So I painted the back like this. And I put little dots on it. Well, see the permanent marker on it? Painted it black. And I put that as like a jacket because he wears a jacket. I painted the arms full scraggly back like a jackety part, and I put a piece of leather and glued it to the arm like it juts out, so it juts out more. And I painted part of the hand silver and black like gloves. For the torso, I painted it black, and then I put the lines with silver paint on it. It made it seem a little hard. And on the legs, I painted them black, of course, and I put silver markings on them for the connecting the gun holster. And on the side of that, for the gun holster, I used some leather, thin piece of leather, stuck it to there so it jutted out of the thing to look like it was the actual gun holster. And that's actually really all what I did. And if you see the back, you'll see what I did for that. And so, yeah, it's about time to wrap up this video. And and press that this is some of my first videos, and click that subscribe button and press that notification bell if you want to hear more about these videos. Because I'm doing a lot of cool minifigures that you might find, minifigures that I found cool, you might find cool. And so, this really clears my video. Come on, get that up there. Okay, and so, see you for the next video. That was really cheesy.